is Sawan, and thank you, namaste everyone for listening me here. My current role is, as you all know, it's a senior product manager with Bajaj Capital Insurance Broking. And as a senior product manager, it's a huge responsibility to bring in the growth with the business and the product I'm dealing with. It is sort of a role wherein I am serving as a ready reckoner for my team with regards to the product knowledge, regards to the queries, regards to the issues coming up, and it is very interesting since you see, I mean, it gives me a huge sort of a learning. So my product role is what I'm enjoying a lot, and simultaneously I share my experiences with my team. So it gives me a good enjoyment both ways. Well, when I was told to be in a position of this product manager, earlier I used to be in sales, day-to-day sales. But yes, when I was told to be in this role of a product manager, I accepted it. And I was accepting in this role because I had a great lot of experiences. And experiences of mine being shared with my other colleagues and team members. This would further create a great sort of a happiness for me. Because you see, the challenges are there in selling such product which is of huge questions, huge complaints, huge technicalities. But yes, my best practices and my experiences have worked out a lot for my team. And challenges was also there to convince people in the other regions, as many people are belonging to rural areas, many people belonging to HNI areas. So that was the major challenges, to convince them to bring into the private sector. Most of the people are still willing to go with the government sectors and willing to continue the old pattern of the businesses. And this was the challenge, to bring them to the new sector, to the new version, to the digital version. This was the challenges initially which I faced, but yet all was overcome by my good effort and obviously my team effort. I can say that product management has helped me in understanding the market well. The need to understand the right product for the client. The need to guide the team as how and where he or she can explore with the general insurance wide variety of products. This helps in using the product comparison study, so it is easy to discuss and talk more about the product and the services. I mean, as a product management, it helps me in giving the correct view of the product, correct requirement of the product, correct need of the clients. So this helps me in giving the right solutions to the people what they are looking for. So this is what the product management helps me in. Yes, the interview experience, yeah, it was not easy. My organization, they were in need of a product manager who can take the whole responsibility to give a new path of success, as it was still progressing for the frequent complaints coming up regards to the services due to many changes and the many upgradation of the products on a regular basis, right? And I was not sure to be chosen, but yes, due to my background and my product knowledge experience, it has given me an upper hand in my selection in this job role. And yes, I have proven to be better than the rest. Now you see, I mean, since I am a person who is always hungry for learning, right? And I am hungry to learn the new things and explore new concepts in various modes. May it be a physical format, may it be a digital format, may it be an online format. I am ready to learn and ready to go ahead with this and understand the things well. So when I came across this ad of INSEAD, this was my interest and it was also matching my profile. And during the course material shared over the webinar, the interest get enhanced. So this is how it started. And I remember the date well. It was 5th of September, the auspicious Teachers' Day. So INSEAD platform are very good, in fact, and the communications among everyone I found is also very easy sort. Okay, So the connectivity platform, the study materials, the library, the introduction of the other webinars, and of course the instructor, the trainer at the back end, they have done a good effort, they have done a good job. So that is also very good activities they have taken care of. And I trust this will also grow as many people will gain out of it. And we are spending our time, so we know we are not wasting our time, so we are spending our time to achieve something very good out of it. And this is what I believe Insight has done to me. Yes, well, the product manager is such a role which has a long-term career, and this will have our involvement on a regular basis, as there is many changes coming up in the industry on a regular basis as well, you know. The product manager needs to look out for her utmost interest in the field where he or she should be best to answer all the hiccups if it comes on his way, right? So the experience, the knowledge, the creativity, the interest to learn something new, and simultaneously this should be shared further with his or her team and the others. So altogether, when you gain a feedback from them, further you can improve if there is anything miss out or is there anything wrong, so you can improve on it, right? So it's better we share those things with our juniors and all. And the PM will be the person whom most of the people will admire, as he will share the true knowledge what their juniors would be able to come across. And the PM will be appreciated at all times for his guidance. Once you are able to recognize your quality, then you will be in focus and there is no reason to look back. So product managers are doing good.